Recording at 6535 12th Avenue Northwest. 6535 12th Avenue Northwest. We're looking at the downspout / drainage line going upstream of the soil pipe coming out of the foundation where we excavated. We cannot make it any further. We're about 16 feet in the line. This spot was located on the other side of the fence, right on the corner of the house at 5 feet deep. And we're going to start pulling back now so you can get a look at the rest of the line here. You can see there is dirt and rock and a large amount of root in there. Big rocks. And these roots are quite long. And now we are just in the excavation out of the pipe. Gonna end the video here.